Good afternoon. Here is your intermediate update on Tropical Storm Arthur.
Arthur continues north-northeastward. Tropical Storm Arthur is centered at 2 p.m. EDT about 310 miles, 500 kilometers south-southwest of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. It's moving toward the north-northeast near 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometers
2 p.m.
per hour.
Florida time.
A turn toward the northeast with an
1
increase in
p.m.
forward speed is expected to
Headquarters
occur
time.
during the next
2
24
p.m.
to
Florida
48
time.
hours. On the forecast track, Arthur will remain well offshore of the coasts of Georgia and South Carolina today and tonight, and then move near or just east of the coast of North Carolina on Monday. Arthur is forecast to turn away from the east coast of the United States Monday night and Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 45 miles per hour, 75 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 115 miles, 185 kilometers, from the center. Some gradual strengthening is forecast to occur during the next 24 to 36 hours. Arthur is likely to lose tropical characteristics on Tuesday. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Surf City to Duck, North Carolina, including Pamlico and Albemarle Sound. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area on Monday. Arthur is expected to produce total rain accumulations of 1 to 3 inches over coastal North Carolina tonight and Monday, with locally higher amounts. Swells generated by Arthur are affecting portions of the southeast U.S. coast and are expected to spread northward along the U.S. mid-Atlantic coast during the next day or two. These swells could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions across much of the U.S. southeast and mid-Atlantic coasts. Please consult products from your local weather office. www.weather.gov. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 5 p.m. edt-hurricanes.gov.
Here you go. That was your intermediate update for Tropical Storm Arthur. I will be back at 4 p.m. headquarters time with a full advisory update. 5 p.m. Florida time.